Welcome pros, this is Walid El Sayed. This is a quick video to help us measure the yearly turnover rate in our farm. It matches page number 3 in the workbook. So here I am logged in. I'm going to click on search properties. On the side here there is Geo Warehouse. We'll click on that. Then at the top there's new Geo Warehouse. Click there. It should log me in. So now here I'm going to put a specific address in my farm. So we're going to use this as an example. So we put the address, then we're going to click on search comparables over here. So here it is, it brings up the address, search comparables. Then we're going to click on find comparables. Then you click on this PDF icon. It may not be clear. It's the second icon from the left, which is next to the printer. Click on client report, generate PDF. This is where we need to be patient, and that's why I brought some nice classical music by Yeroma. He's a nice piano player. Now the PDF is being generated. So we're going to scroll down and it shows you comparable sales, average sales heat map. That's not what we want. This is the growth rate heat map, not what we want. Turnover. So you zoom in, look at your area, and make sure you're looking at an area with at least 5% turnover or higher. Hope this was helpful. Again, this is Walid El Sayed signing off. Reminding everyone to have a productive day.